Flight 2. This is my second chill day with just the villain. 2200 Admiral Pro Pack 45C, marked. Note to self, mark number 6. So I'll go ahead and put this baby in. Connect the main leads. Connect the afterburner leads. Whew. I am using the wind to help me slow down, guys. It's fun, actually. Beginners might think you want to always fly with no wind at all. That's not necessarily true. You can use the wind to help slow you down. All right. I talk like as if I'm experienced. I'm not. I'm learning like everyone else. And there is a good wind. See, take a look at those cattails. See, you got wind coming from there. So, all right, let's do it. Okay, I want to hear the announcements. Flight 2, guys, on chill day 2 with the villain. This is the chill day. I had to change out my GoPro battery at the beginning, so here we go. We'll line it up. Let's fly. Take it over there, turning it sharp. Going with the wind. Coming on down, facing the wind, flaring it a little bit. There you go. Concentrate. Keep an eye on it. Fighting that gust. That's a lot for a model plane. All right, coming on down, coming on down. 2 minutes on the timer. Coming on down. There's a nice gust. Gotta do a touch and go again. Ooh, it's blowing. Little obstacle course here that I do, but please don't hate me if I bail out, okay? I've been burned by one of those trees already. Entirely my fault, and not even the wind. Pilot error. Okay, here we go. Touch a go, touch a go. So fun. I'll try doing a high alpha pass next time. Here we go. One minute, okay. Let's do high alpha here. Look at the rise that you get out of it. It's so good like that. It has plenty of power to like go up if you need to. It's blowing good go, guys. Man, all of a sudden the wind just kicked up big time. Ah. Okay. Coming on in, coming on in. Gotta learn to fly in this condition. Going on down, going on down. Facing the wind. Low flare, low flare. Braking even though you don't really need to. It just sounds cool. It's so fun. And guys, the taxiing on this plane, it's hilarious. It has such a simple system on its mains and the front nose. It's hilarious, but it works. Okay, let's do a battery check. Pull the afterburner, pull the mains, pull up my battery checker. Take a look around. Always situational awareness, guys. Okay, let's see here. 30%, right on the money. So now the temperature out here, guys, is nice, but Illinois is supposed to see some storms coming up, so I'm taking my flights while I can. So I'd really like to do it later in the day, maybe if these lights show up a little better. It would be fun. Trust me, of all people, I want to do it too, but I think I'm gonna get rained out or the wind's gonna increase too, so I gotta take it in while I can. And guys, full disclosure, I do have other planes. I want a maiden, but I want to maiden it with a little better conditions. So all right, that's it. Flight 2, RC Hobbies and More. Every day is a gift.